Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel SciTech Guru. In this video, I'm going to compare the UFS Storage 3.1 read and write speeds comparison between the POCO X3 Pro versus the iQOO Z5 device. So this is a question which has been requested by a few of my subscribers, asking me to compare both phones side by side, and both phones they do have the UFS Storage 3.1 exactly. As you can see in the POCO X3 Pro, UFS Storage 3.1, and in the iQOO Z5, which has got the enhanced version of the 3.1 UFS storage, so which is slightly better enhanced version. Let's see. So the old generation UFS storage 3.1 versus the latest generation UFS storage 3.1, how much difference we can actually expect in the read and write speeds. That's what I'm going to exactly demonstrate in this video. So right now I'll try to use a couple of applications to demonstrate the read and write speed. So first is the AndoBench application which I can actually use here. So let's start with this application. Let's see what will be the read and write speeds both phones will be detecting. And in case if you're having any other doubts regarding these two devices, let me know in the comment section below. Definitely I'll try to do my best to post the video as soon as possible. And first phone to finish is the iQOO Z5, finish the test results, and second is the POCO X3 Pro device. So if you want, you can pause this video exactly and you can try to look at the scores. If you want, you can do that passing. And right now you can see the sequential read speed is slightly higher, 1590 versus 1464, and sequential write is also slightly higher, 918 and 528 only in the POCO X3 Pro. Random read 272 and 244 random write, 185 only random write, and 220 is a random read. So overall friends, the iQOO Z5 has got really high scores if you compare both phones side by side. Even though they both have the UFS storage 3.1, but still the iQOO Z5 has got slight advantage in the read and write speeds. You can clearly see the difference how it is between these both phones. Now let's move to the next application, which is the Antutu Benchmark application. So in this application, I'm trying to use the same Antutu Benchmark version. You can clearly see. So here we can actually see the read and write speeds clearly. So what is happening between these both phones? So let's start the test 1, 2, and 3. Let's see how much difference we can actually expect POCO X3 Pro and the iQOO Z5. So right now it's kind of testing. Now we should be able to see it. So iQOO Z5 has got about 60,000 score and POCO X3 Pro got about 45,851 score. So I think you got my point right. So what is happening between both phones in terms of the read and write speeds? So definitely friends, iQOO Z5 has got slightly better read and write speeds when you compare with the POCO X3 Pro because of the enhanced version which is present, and these benchmarks are quite similar to the high-end range mobile phones as well. That's one thing which I was just mentioning. 1656 versus 1515 sequence read speed, and sequence write speed is 979 versus 534. So write speed is slightly higher. Random access also showed high results. So it doesn't matter friends, whatever the application you use, iQOO Z5 will be having the slightly better version of the UFS storage 3.1. Thank you for watching this video friends, and stay tuned for more updates. In case if you have any other doubts, let me know in the comment section below. Meanwhile, signing off and bye.